Hello guys! Trivia muna tayo. Ito yung nakikita nyo na ibon ay pipaw. But most people call them peacock. But that's the correct name for only the male of this type of bird. Female are called peahen. And the whole group are pipaw. There are three types of pipaw in the world. Indian, green, and Congo. So, kung gusto nyong makakita guys ng ganitong ibon, punta lang kayo sa Wildlife Albay. Ito yung isa sa mga ibon nila na makikita nyo pag pumunta kayo doon. So, marami naman silang mga iba't ibang ibon guys. Pero ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang ibon nila. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and my FB